Anthony from Hitech. We're on the river sea trialling a Stacer 429 Seamaster that's just been purchased. So basically we put them on the river just to make sure they're all good before the handover. 429 start at just under 24 grand with a 40 horsepower. This one went for 26, which has been upgraded to a 60. Also with a bait board and a Lowrance 7-inch. It's also got a walk-through windscreen, and all our boats come with full safety gear and anchor and chain kit. So yeah, they're a good fun little boat. If you're in the market for that sort of thing, they're definitely worth checking out. So we'll take it for a bit of a wrap, make sure it's all good, and the customer will be getting their new boat. Cheers.